Your apartment is fitted with a washer-dryer machine. This machine has many functions, and these can be explored in more details by contacting us for a copy of the manual on guestservices@roomspace.com. It does have many functions, but I'll show you a couple which should suffice for everyday washing needs. To turn the machine on and select a program, you turn this dial to the left or right. This program has a mixed fabrics setting, and here you can see the temperature which is selected is 40 degrees, the spin cycle is 1000 RPM, the kilogram load is 3.5, and it takes an hour and 3 minutes. You can change the temperature by lightly pressing this button here, and you'll see it goes down to 30, 20, or a cold wash. Press again and it goes up to 60. You can also adjust the spin speed. If you like, you can also set this with a delayed start. So let's say you leave the house at 9 o'clock in the morning and you want the washing to be done and finished just when you get home at 6 o'clock. You can press finish in 9 hours. If you're happy with that, then you need to load the compartment with detergent in here and softener if you're using in there. Close the drawer. Ensure the door is closed and press start. You'll hear it lock, and then nothing will happen until the machine starts at the desired time. To cancel or change any settings, just turn this dial to off. Please take care, however. When you do this, the door may still remain locked for some time. Please do not force it or you will break it. You need to wait for a click, usually within 1 or 2 minutes, and then the door is safe to open. This machine also has washer-dryer settings where you can wash and dry in one program. However, we would advise against this. We would suggest you check all clothes after they've been washed to ensure they are suitable for the tumble dryer, as Roomspace cannot be held responsible for damage to any items placed in this machine. Once you've loaded it with items which can be dried, simply select Intensive Dry, which is good for things like towels, or Gentle Dry for clothes. It shows the drying time, and you can press Start. Dry is also illuminated here by the blue dry symbol. This does also have a rapid wash program, which is a fast program, and again you can change the temperature and spin speed. It shows it's a fast program by the clock here, and at the moment it's showing dry is off, meaning it will not dry, but you can select it to dry if you want. However, as previously suggested, we do not recommend that. If you have any issues using this machine, please do not hesitate to contact us on guestservices@roomspace.com.